Hi, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Steph. We have a bit of a festively tipsy episode of our podcast for you today, focusing on Norfolk Christmas brews.
Ooh, lovely.
Now, in Norfolk, we are really lucky, aren't we, to have so many wonderful independent brewers and distillers, and they've got some great seasonal offerings.
Yeah, definitely. I love it with the Christmas brews come out. The first I've got here is by the Humpty Dumpty Brewery. They have Christmas Crackling, which is a 4.5% full-bodied amber ale, brewed with Cascade and First Gold hop varieties to give it an aromatic and hoppy winter ale. And they also have, they've got not just one, they've got two. The second is Christmas Crack. Ooh, this is quite strong. This is 7%, and it's a strong dark brown ale with an American hop profile.
Lovely, fantastic. The Barsham Brewery, who we love, they have launched their first Christmas beer, SOS, which stands for Spicy Old Santa. This 4.4% ruby-coloured beer has notes of spicy berry and a hint of sweetness. Not unlike the big man himself.
Lovely. I need to try that one. Next, we have the Moongazer Ale Norfolk Brewhouse. Oh, they have a couple, actually. First, they have the Snowshoes, which is a 4.4% red ale with complex malt and fruity flavours.
Lovely.
Oh, this is a good one. Skedaddler.
Skedaddler, love that.
A 4.5% smooth and dark milk stout. And Bouchart, which is a 4.9, I think I said that correct, which is a 4.9% dark mild.
Lovely.
So a lot to choose from there.
I love the names of them all.
Yeah.
The Tyndall Brewery has a Starry Night Stout.
Lovely.
Oh, just makes you want to drink it, doesn't it?
It does.
4.2%. It's a creamy oatmeal stout with notes of chocolate, coffee and plums. Ooh, fully festive.
Lovely. And then we move on to Laken's Brewery. Oh, they've actually got a mini cask.
Oh, love that.
5 litres, 8.8 pints. Perfect over
Might have
the
to get
Christmas.
one of those for Christmas.
Yeah, might actually have to. Theirs is called St. Nick's Christmas Beer. It's 4.2%, lovely, and has notes of toffee, dried fruits, and a pinch of spice. Dehydrated orange peel aromas add warmth and comfort, leading to a soft, silky finish. Oh, and perfect. Apparently it pairs really well with mince pies.
Perfect. Love that. The Wildcraft Brewery has Wild Winter, a 5% porter, malty, spicy with cinnamon and ginger, plus wild and nutty. 4.2%, like roasting chestnuts on an open fire, apparently. It combines malt, chestnuts and hazelnuts to create a rich, caramelised, rustic taste.
Fantastic. Woodford's.
Woodford's.
Yeah, they have one which is Winter Reserve Winter Warmer. So this is a 5% dark velvety beer. It has a full malty flavour with notes of licorice and pine. It retaining a dry, clear finish that goes down very easily considering its strength. They also have the well-known Tinseltoes as well. It's a festive ruby ale that is ideal for dark winter nights. It's full of rich and spicy fruit flavours. It's paired with a blend of roasted malts and hops, creating a perfectly balanced Christmas treat.
Fabulous. Now, if gin is more your thing, Home Farm Gin has some wonderful tree baubles full of either cherry schnapps, honey schnapps, or their delicious bramble cocktail.
I bet they would look lovely on the tree, wouldn't they?
Great presents as well.
The English Distillery have a super stylish Christmas bauble filled with the English Original. I think I've seen that last year. It's absolutely fantastic. The English Original is their at-home anywhere whiskey. A remarkably easy-going, unpeated single malt.
Lovely.
Now, not forgetting other types of brews, we have one of our favourite Stranger's Coffee here in Norwich. They have the Christmas blend, bringing you the festive flavours of cranberries, zesty tangerine and strawberry. These notes are carefully balanced to deliver that cosy Christmas feeling with every sip.
I love Stranger's Coffee Christmas Blend, actually. It's a lovely little seasonal treat.
It is, isn't it? Yeah. Most years we go and get it.
We do.
Yeah. There's also Norfolk Coffee. They also have a Christmas blend with tastes of toffee, cream, orange and cinnamon.
Ooh, lovely.
Nice, eh?
Still on the coffee, Norfolk Pig Coffee Co.'s Christmas coffee blend has a rich chocolate and mellow caramel taste with a delicate hint of fruit.
If tea is more of your thing, we have the Norfolk Tea Co. Mulled wine caffeine-free infusion. It's as indulgent as it sounds. Although it contains no alcohol, it comes with the same delicious taste so loved in real mulled wine. When brewed, it produces a rich, spicy flavour with distinct hints of cinnamon, almonds and cloves. It is a truly warming infusion that makes the perfect seasonal brew.
I love a herbal tea, actually. That sounds right up my street. And then finally, back to the old alcohol, Norfolk rum.
Yes.
The heart of every festive occasion. Their Christmas liqueur is their premium rum with an added assortment of fresh festive flavours, including orange zest, split vanilla pod, cinnamon sticks, and star anise?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Apparently, it's quite simply deconstructed Christmas pudding in a bottle.
Oh, wow.
What a lovely description.
Yeah.
A delicious rum liqueur by itself, chilled or warmed up. Add it to apple juice or cola for instant mulling.
Oh, good
Modern.
ideas, yeah.
Or serve warm with a layer of cream for a festive flat white. Ooh,
fabulous.
Indulgent. What a great recipe tip. Now, obviously, it's almost Christmas Day now. So you have still just got time to sneak out and grab some of these if you like. Some of them are available locally. Some of them are available online. Some of them you can pop in, like Stranger's Coffee obviously have outlets in Norwich and other places where you can pick up their Christmas coffee blend. So you've still got time to stock up for Christmas Day and that really important Twixtmas period.
Of course.
And make sure that what you're drinking is fabulously festive and Norfolky.
Yes.